All right, we've got our room 9664. We got a little bit different room this time, so we'll show you guys in a second. Starting right here at the back of the door, it shows your assembly station. This is where you go for your muster drill. For these cruise ships, you also need some type of gift card or card to stick in to make the electricity work and make the plugs work. And then you have your light switches. I'm going to turn around now. So for our room right here, we have the closets to the left and we have the bathrooms to the right. I'll show you guys the closets first to the left. Got your life jackets, hangers, safe, and drawers in the first closet. In the second closet, we've got another shelf above, hangers, a ladder for the bunk bed. If you need that, they'll put that down for you, and lots of space for a suitcase in there if you need to. Coming over here to the first bathroom. Be careful, there is a step going up and down here so you don't trip. This is the toilet. You get a split bathroom on Disney Cruise Line for most of the rooms. You got your shelving here, hooks, towel, well-lit mirror. There's your sink, trash can, Kleenex, and of course your Disney soaps. There's also shelving on the side right here. All right, and there's the light switch, which are labeled. And the cool thing about these rooms is they have this night mode now. So if you just want to leave that little light on at the bottom, so you can turn that on at night just in case anyone needs to find the bathroom. All right, so that was our toilet right there. And in this bathroom right here, we have the shower. Got a full-length mirror on the door right here. We've got sink, towels, well-lit mirror. We've got our body lotion right there, our soap, and then we've got our shower, the Rainhead shower fall, the Disney soaps. This is a glass door right here, and they also have the spot where you can bring that across, that line across, and hang any wet clothing if you need it. And there's a closer look at the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So that took care of the main entrance of our room. So I'm going to turn around now. We have a connecting door if you need that, and a nice TV on the wall. This is our bed. Each room is themed differently depending on which floor or deck you're on. So our room is the Raya room. There it is right there. Give a look at the plugs for you. We got a European plug on this side, the Disney lamp, and a drawer right here. Okay, we've got some gifts that we'll get to in a little bit. This is for the Maiden Voyage, I believe. We've got the Disney Desitny blanket right there. Okay, coming over to this side of the bed, we have plugs and USB-C ports. Also have a little drawer right there with the Mickey lamp. The Disney cruises also have curtains to divide the room up if you need that. We've got our more gifts right here. We'll get to that also in a little bit. We've got a couch right here, and this is our artwork above the bed. Since we have the Raya room, there's our Raya artwork. And we do have a top bunk that can pull down as well. And over here we have our desk vanity area. So we've got phone right here, lots of shelving, a well-lit mirror, some more gifts that we'll get into, trash can on the side. We've got a drawer, which you can always take the goodies right here. You get your Disney pen, stationery, and postcards over here. Got a lovely seat cushion to sit down on. Some more gifts right here. Everything's well labeled for the lighting, so you know which light it goes to. The well-lit mirror, hello. We've got some other items that we'll get into for you guys. We've got a hair dryer in here. Lots of drawer space right here. And this is the refrigerator or cooler area. and more shelving. And this is a look at the plugs here on the desk. So they have plugs, European plugs, regular plugs, and USB-C. We also have an ocean view room this time. So we do not have a veranda, but we have, this is a pull-down Murphy bed. So this room can actually sleep 5. It can sleep 2 here. This turns into a bed. This will also turn into the bunk bed pulling down, and this will also fold down into a bed here. And this is our window. So we got a large porthole here on deck 9. See if I can back up so you can see it. So this is our large porthole right here. This is a view of Fort Lauderdale. And then we have tuk-tuk right here for our Raya room as our artwork on the side. They also have where you can do the heat and the air conditioning in the room as well. And under the bed, there's plenty of space to put any luggage that you may need. And this is the beds when they're down. This is what it would look like sleeping 5 different people. You got 2 in the queen bed here. You've got the bunk beds here. And this is what it looks like with the Murphy bed pulled down. All right, and then there's a little light on the side right here. And those have some USB-Cs or USBs right there. USB-Cs, 2 of them I think right there on the side for this person if you need that. This is 265 pounds for this person that can sleep up here, so it's a lot more than I thought it would be. This is the top of the bunk. I have often dreamed of a far off place, and it's Hercules. The top bunk also has a light with USB-C ports just like this bottom bunk here, or the Murphy bed I should say. Look at how pretty. I love the purple and the blue with Raya and Tuk Tuk. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, travelers!